have another great video for you guys. Today's video is dedicated to all aspiring or current online learners.
Wow, man!
I know excelling in online learning can sometimes feel like navigating through a maze. Challenging, right? But no worries.
Okay.
We got 3 fantastic tips to help you not only find your way, but also to excel in the world of virtual education. So let's dive in and discover how you can master online learning. And before we get to the video, my name is Antoine Wade and I run the Elevate to the Unknown YouTube channel. And guys, if you like this sort of content, make sure you hit like on the video. Also, if you are new to the channel or you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell because we drop 2 videos a week and you don't want to miss them. Now let's jump to the video. And our first tip to succeed in online learning is to stay motivated. It is easy to get distracted when you're learning from the comforts of your own home. So, how do you stay motivated? One word is goals. So set clear, achievable goals for yourself, whether they're daily, weekly, or even for the entire semester. And these goals will give you a sense of purpose and direction. And hey, who doesn't love the feeling of accomplishment when you check off those goals from your list? Also, your environment could affect your sense of motivation, so another great strategy is to create a dedicated study space. Make it comfortable and personalized, but keep it free from distractions. Having a designated space for learning can help you mentally switch into study mode and boost productivity. Tip number 2 is all about effective time management. Online learning requires a strong sense of discipline. So plan out your day in advance and schedule specific study times and stick to them. And use tools like calendars and to-do lists to help you stay organized. And remember, time management is the key to balancing your coursework with other responsibilities. Consider using the Pomodoro technique, which involves breaking your study time into short, focused intervals, typically of 25 minutes, followed by a short break. And this can help you maintain concentration and prevent burnout. However, why did I mention the word commitment?
Why?
And the reason is because some believe commitment management is better than time management because it prioritizes tasks by importance of the goals. It stresses accountability, adaptation, and work-life balance, unlike time management. And it promotes motivation and purpose by prioritizing quality over quantity and aligning tasks with ideas. While both approaches are essential, commitment management is more flexible and holistic to success. And now let's talk about tip number 3, making the most of online resources. The internet is a goldmine of information, so use it wisely. Explore online forums, discussion boards, and educational websites related to your course. And join study groups, engage with your peers, and don't hesitate to ask questions. Collaboration can be a powerful tool in online learning. So take advantage of digital tools and platforms provided by your educational institution. And these could include online libraries, virtual labs, and interactive study materials. Many platforms offer tutorials and webinars to enhance your understanding of complex topics. By leveraging these resources, you will not only excel in your studies, but also develop valuable digital skills. Now, here are 2 bonus tips. I bet you didn't know you're going to get these. And 4th on the list is to actively engage with course material. Do not just passively watch those lectures or skim through the readings. Dive in deep, reflect on the material and discuss it, and then apply it. Participation is key. So ask questions, join study groups, and maybe even try teaching the concepts to someone else. It's like turning your study session into a mini classroom. And tip number 5, don't be afraid to ask for help. If you're stuck on something, raise your virtual hand, reach out to your instructors, your classmates, or even online forums. And remember that asking for help isn't a weakness. It's a stepping stone to mastery. And in the online world, you got to take charge of your learning journey, and sometimes that means seeking a little guidance. So there you have it, folks. These are the 3 tips to help you excel in online learning. And of course, I added a little bonus in there as well for you. Remember, it's all about setting goals and managing your time effectively and making the most out of the incredible resources that are available to you. And if you found these tips to be helpful, give us a thumbs up on this video. We do like likes. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell, because we drop videos twice a week. And guys, do me a favor, watch the next video. Until next time, peace.